Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Your girl's here with an easy one. I'm gonna make pigs in a blanket. But I'm gonna use puff pastry. This is actually skinless Polish kielbasa. And I got this for two reasons. One, it's straight, it didn't have the bend in it, and two, it's skinless. I figured it'd be easy to cut. And my disclaimer, this is better than everything bagel seasoning. I wanted Einstein's, and you know your girl, I don't know if it's a reason or an excuse. I have a degree in biology, psychology, you decide if I'm giving you a reason or an excuse. They didn't have Einstein's, and the reason I wanted that is because it doesn't have sodium or salt in there. This one does. The difference is this one also has black sesame seeds, and the Einstein does not. So if you have a sodium issue, which I would recommend, I'm trying to be more healthy, to get the Einstein if you can find it. Like I said, there's no black sesame seeds in there, but there's no sodium. So I'm gonna get this set up. It should be quick and easy. I only have one puff pastry in here. And I'm gonna split it. It should make 3, but I only have 2 pieces of sausage. Thought about getting another pack and then making 3, but we'll see what I'm gonna do with the last piece. So let me put you on pause. You know I got a great joke for you guys, and this is a last minute. I wasn't gonna make these for Super Bowl week, but I'm gonna try and get this one posted for you. This was left over. I did sausage rolls the other day, labor intensive, and that left me with a puff pastry sheet. So let me stop talking, get you guys set up so we can get this video. Going. Okay guys, let's get started. So my plan, I have to take everything up a notch, was to add the Better Than Bagel seasoning, but I'm a little paranoid about it because, like I said, it's got salt in there. And I got lucky that these fit kind of pretty much, they're close. So I only have 2 pieces of sausage, and these are pre-cut, so I'm just gonna cut them down the line of where they already have them cut. Oh, let me put you on pause. I forgot, you gotta have an egg wash to seal these. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. I forgot you need an egg wash to seal these. So what I'm gonna do is I'll put it here where you can see it. Just run a little bit of this egg wash down the side, and then try and roll this up. Probably would have been better if I floured the board, but I did not feel like the extra step. So I'm gonna pull this kind of taut, and let's hope that this will go all the way across to seal it. I'm pulling this. Ripping. Houston, having a serious problem here. So I'm going to pull this up from this side here and pull some from this way. Here we go. Seal it. And I've got the paper still underneath because I didn't want to flour the board. So that's my fault and disclaimer. I figured the Better Than Bagel would give it extra flavor than just a plain old pig in the blanket. You know your girl always got to try and elevate the recipe a little bit. So here's one. And what I'm going to do is put this in the refrigerator to let this chill before I cut it. Okay, there's one, and you see it ripped a little bit in a couple of places. I'm going to try and mend that back together. Set that one there. And then here's the second one. Cut this a little better. wash on it. Helps it stick. And feel it though, you have to work with it pretty quick because it dries out pretty quick. So as you see, I'm rolling this over like that, and then I'm gonna pick it up and pinch. Found this to be a little easier. Make sure you pinch these. I'm having problems getting them to stick because they're barely making it. This piece of sausage is pretty big. You can get any kind of sausage you want. Like I said, my reason for getting this one was because it was skinless, and I figured it'd be easier to cut instead of trying to go through the casing when I go to cut these. So hopefully these will stay sealed. But I'm gonna cook them seam side down, so that should help. So as you see, that's the second one. And I have them here on a plate. So I'm gonna put these in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, then come back and slice them, and then we'll get them in the oven. I'll be right back. Okay everyone, I've had them in the freezer for about 30 minutes, and they're pretty cold. So I'm gonna do a slice 1 1/2. Yeah, they cut much easier, I would definitely say. Freeze these. I'm just gonna move these over here for sake of space, so you can see, and then seam side down. I think I'm gonna go about that wide and cut each one. I don't want them really thick. So you can see the gist of this. Me cutting these and setting them on the wax paper, like so. Cut a few more of these for you. Yeah, they cut really easy if you put them in the freezer. You can go as wide or as thick as you like. I just don't want them really thick. So I'm gonna put you guys on pause, get these cut up, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I've got them all cut. So what I'm gonna do now is give them all a little egg wash bath. And then I'm gonna sprinkle some everything bagel seasoning on top, just for, you know, your girl's gotta do something a little extra. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this egg wash on top of each one. So you can see, just lightly putting some egg wash on. It's supposed to help them brown. Make sure I don't miss any. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys on pause and get these set up a little better, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, final step. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of this bagel seasoning on top of each one and see if I can get some of it to stick, just for decoration purposes. So you can kind of know there's a little something extra in these. That's why I wanted the black poppy seeds with these, and the Einstein does not have the poppy seeds. I mean the dark sesame seeds, black sesame seeds in there. That's what you really see. Just trying to get a nice little coating on each one. Okay, so I'm gonna get these in the oven and let you guys see what they look like in the oven. And I'm gonna cook these for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. I'll be right back. Let me turn the camera around. Okay guys, there they are on the top rack, 400 degrees. And we're gonna go for 20 minutes. I'll be right back, and then I'll tell you a great joke. Okay everyone, I'm gonna take them out. Okay, that's what they look like after 20 minutes at 400 degrees. I'm gonna let these cool off, get them plated, and then tell you guys my joke. I'll be right back. Don't they look good? Okay guys, there they are. Unfortunately, I've eaten about 7 of them. I know you guys are sick and tired of hearing that. I have to try them first. They are really good. Definitely try the bagel seasoning, everything bagel seasoning. But let me start with the joke. Okay, 3 women who are friends decide to go to a party. Each one of them has a husband named Larry. They discuss among themselves that if they need to call for Larry, which one would answer, since all of them are named Larry. Well, the first woman says, I have a nickname for my Larry. The other 2 women say, really, what do you call him? The first woman says, I call him Mountain Dew because he climbs me like a mountain and he knows what to do. Well, the second woman says, well, I call my Larry 7-Up because he's 7 inches and he knows how to keep it up. Well, the third woman says, well, I call my Larry Jack Daniels. The other 2 women looked puzzled and said, but that is a hard liquor. The woman says, looks at them and says, yep, that's my Larry. Okay, thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. These are pigs in a blanket made with puff pastry. I will admit they're a little tougher to make with puff pastry than crescent rolls, but I think they taste better. The bread is better. Mix any kind of sauce, mustard, barbecue. I'm sorry I don't make any sauces for you guys, but I may do a video and just do 4 quick sauces. But anyway, God bless, have a good evening, and thanks for watching.